Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another destash, and today I'm destashing, or in this video I'll be destashing some fabrics that I've had in my stash for some time. I have way too much material. Oh my gosh. I've received wonderful gifts from people, and I just don't know what to do with these. No. Okay. So I am asking $15 shipped for each lot of fabric. Now, it will be US only, PayPal only, friends and family only. And if you send me your information right away, I will mail these on Monday. So let's get started. I'm going to call this the orange. I'm giving a pillowcase as well. I think I have something else, but it's too late now. So this, oh shoot, I can't show you it. So this is a pillowcase, and it looks like this. It has this really pretty embroidered material. It's a satin material. It's very, very pretty. I do not know where I got this or who gave it to me. If it was given, I'm not sure. So this is going to be the orange one, and here is some chiffon material. This is black satin, and then here is some material. This is an embroidery piece, not embroidery piece, like an upholster. It's thicker than regular material. And then I have all these miscellaneous pieces of fabric. They're not a yard. Some may be a yard. I don't know. I'm just gonna like really quickly skim through all the material. This is Christmas. This is a Paris themed Christmas. Here's the red truck. It's just a piece of it. I used it on a journal a couple years ago, I think. Here's some red and white, what do you call that, rickrack, and a couple pieces of Halloween that I used. I don't think I used this one, but anyway. So I'm going to call this one the green lot because it's going to have the green pillowcase. And then this is, I don't know if I'm showing it enough, but this is a big, I want to say this is like a 22 or even maybe a 19-inch pillowcase. But I was thinking about using it as for a journal, but that never happened. Here is a chiffon piece. This is a small piece of satin, brown, and pink. And then here are the miscellaneous pieces of fabric. And yeah, all these, and a couple pieces of Halloween. Not too much. So that's also $15 shipped. So if you guys are interested, email me and tell me which lot you're interested. And first come, first serve. And I'll just let me know through email. Don't comment down below, okay? Thanks everyone. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.